Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Today I am at Dollar General. Those won't stop making noise. Shut up, shut up, shut up. They got Snow White, Ariel, they all do it! Shopkin. What's her name? I think it's, what's her name? Do they got her name? What? It's, I don't know if the camera's getting this. It's Marta Party Hat. And I'll show it's a party hat. Because there she is. What's this? They're stocked for Christmas. You make all things new. Oh, you are making this new. Gosh, there's so much stuff. Oh man, they got Play-Doh, Play-Doh. Guys, this is my very first YouTube channel, so subscribe to Psycho Circus Baby. Sweet, sweet ho ho ho. I really want this, but I also want a Tsum Tsum. They won't stop. Oh, my little brother, he's got one that's good, but he's got this red one right here. That red one there. That's what they make. I don't know if the camera got that appropriately.